Okay, so sometimes you guys wonder what is wrong with porn. Porn kills love. I mean, it just it makes relationships just basically pixels on a computer screen. It's imagination. Porn changes the brain. Just like drugs and other addictive substances, porn floods the brain with chemicals like dopamine. Over time, the brain gets overwhelmed by the constant load of chemicals and starts to build up a dependency to pornography. As a result, the porn they were looking at in the beginning doesn't seem as exciting, and many more porn users go hunting for more porn or more hardcore porn to get the same rush. Eventually, the chemical released from regular healthy activities aren't strong enough to register. This leaves the user feeling down or uneasy whenever they go a while without watching porn. So that's just not good. That's kind of one of the reasons why I've stayed away from it. Now, see, I don't know. This is something you can blame porn for, or just that it kind of depends upon just who happens to be in the neighborhood. See, the porn does kill the love.